Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Black Farmhouse coffee table on the market, the GreenForest coffee table with storage. This piece combines rustic charm with modern functionality, making it a perfect centerpiece for your living room. First off, the GreenForest coffee table features a sturdy structure reinforced by a unique X-frame design. This frame isn't just for style. It supports up to 200 pounds, which means it can easily handle everything from heavy decorations and stacks of books to your everyday coffee cups and snacks without wobbling or feeling flimsy. One of the standout features is its seamless one-piece tabletop. Unlike many coffee tables that have visible seams or gaps, this table's surface is crafted as a continuous piece. This design not only gives it a sleek, modern look but also makes cleaning and maintenance much easier, as there are no cracks where dust and spills can accumulate. In terms of size, the table measures 27.6 inches in depth and width, and stands 17.7 inches tall. Its square shape and moderate dimensions make it an ideal fit for smaller living rooms or apartments where space is limited but style can't be compromised. It's versatile enough to complement a variety of decor styles, but its farmhouse aesthetic adds warmth and a touch of rustic elegance to any space. Storage is another key aspect of this table. It features a clever two-tier design. The top tier serves as your everyday surface for displaying items or setting down drinks, while the lower shelf provides ample room for books, magazines, remote controls, or other living room essentials. This storage solution helps keep your space organized and clutter-free without sacrificing style. Assembly is straightforward and hassle-free, designed so that you can put it together quickly on your own. The package comes with all the necessary hardware and clear instructions, and many users find they can have the table ready to use in about 30 minutes. The materials used include engineered wood for the tabletop and metal for the frame, which work together to create a durable and stable piece. The particle board is of P2 grade, ensuring environmental safety, and the metal legs add to the overall robustness of the table. The entire piece weighs around 30 pounds, striking a balance between solid feel and manageable handling during assembly. As for color options, it's available in black, walnut, and gray wash, giving you the flexibility to match your existing furniture and home palette effortlessly. The GreenForest coffee table not only looks great but also is practical for daily use. Whether you're hosting guests, enjoying a quiet coffee break, or simply need a stylish focal point, this table fits the bill with its blend of farmhouse charm and modern design. Overall, if you're searching for a Black Farmhouse coffee table that is stable, stylish, and functional with good storage options, the GreenForest coffee table is definitely worth considering. It stands out for its quality build, seamless design, and ease of assembly, making it a top choice for your living room setup. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you liked this review, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights every week. See you in the next video.